How to add Facebook page admin on mobile. Open up your Facebook and click on menu at the bottom right of your screen. And then you need to click on your Facebook page and go inside that page. So I will click on HTZ at the top and I will click on switch at the bottom to switch into my page. Once I switch into my page account, I can click on my profile picture at the bottom right again and click on the settings icon at the top right of the screen. Scroll all the way down and under audience and visibility, you will see page setup. Click on it. And from here, you want to click on the second option, page access. And at the top, you can see the add new right beside people with Facebook access. Click on it. And over here, click on next at the bottom of the screen. Then you want to search the person's name who you want to give your Facebook access to. So I'm going to give it to one of my friend and make sure at the bottom, this setting is on. Once this is on, click on give access and enter the password of your Facebook page and click on confirm, and an access request will be sent to that person. If he accepts it, he will become the admin of the page alongside with you. That's how we guys can add Facebook page admin on mobile. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.